I'm Craig. I'm the better half of Kath, or not the better. Kath is my better. This is the 21st edition of the SA Weddings Bride of the Year. And so it feels like the event is now actually becoming an adult. This event has been unbelievably difficult over the last 3 years. I marvel at how ingenious the team has been to get this event completed to fruition is an unbelievable task. So please, a round of applause to the whole SA Weddings team. You've all come through a very similar phase in your life. You've all got married in a COVID period with lockdowns. You're all looking to the future together. You've got aspirations and dreams. So make friends and actually be generous with each other. Thank you all so much for doing what you've done, for being ambassadors for SA Weddings, and for sharing this weekend with us.